All right, everybody, Sylvia here, and today I want to do a video about what's in my bag, specifically what's in my rear rack bag. And depending on the type of touring that I'm doing, I will have a different bag for the rear rack. For instance, the last two tours, I did a tour through Mexico and Colombia, and all I had on the rear rack was a small backpack that kept my drone. But this time I'm doing a much more extensive tour where I'm going to be camping a lot more. And so I'm going to be bringing a lot more cooking and camping gear with me. And so I have a bigger rear rack bag. And today I want to go through and show you everything that I have in this bag. Come on, Myrtle, let's go. Okay, so this is my rear rack bag. It's made by a company called Thule. It is waterproof, and I love that it's yellow. You can see I've used it many, many years, and there's a lot of stains on it, but it's still in great shape. On top of the bag, I keep a Lucy lantern. I actually just bought the second one, and I'm going to be talking about that in another video because I want to do a review comparing one to the other. But I keep it in it's actually a pencil case from Walmart, and this way they can charge up the batteries using the solar panels as I'm riding. And then inside the bag, actually, let me show you this first. So I've got a side pocket here, and in here I keep my pee like a man thing, and I think I have my passport in there just for safekeeping and easy access. And for me, it's really important that I be able to get to things quickly while I'm riding. For instance, I don't want to mess around with getting my drone in the air, and so I keep it right on top. So all I have to do is unzipper this bag, and my drone is right there. So this is my drone in a case, and then this is the smart controller in a case, and then I have another case for the batteries for my drone. And so I just love just keeping it on top, and that way I can get to it very easily and get that drone in the air and take the shots that I want. Now that I have electric assist, I have a second battery. This is for sure the heaviest thing in the bag. It weighs almost 6 pounds, and that's for the Shimano Steps E8000. And then I have two sleeping bags with me, only one in this bag, and this is a very small summer bag made by Montbell. And this is my tent. It's a two-person tent. It's called the Nemo Hornet. Very small, lightweight tent. And I have the footprint for the tent. I have the stakes for the tent. And here are the poles for the tent. And then this is an air mattress made by Thermarest. I've had this for many, many years. It blows up to 3 inches thick. It has a really high warmth rating. And then I have a black diamond head torch. And I have a X-Ped pillow. It's a blow-up pillow in a flannel camping pillowcase. I think I got that at REI. And then I've got utensils, spatula, spork, and a sharp knife. And then I always carry a very thin cutting board that I use as a plate. And then this is a windshield protector that is very helpful to put underneath the sleeping mat. And what it does is it reflects heat back into the sleeping mat. And if if you're camping in cold conditions, the air in your sleeping pad can get cold. And so this keeps a barrier between the ground and the sleeping pad, and then also reflects some of the heat back into the air mattress so the air doesn't get so cold. So there you go. This is my bag, my rear rack bag, and all the things that I'm carrying with me on this tour down the Pacific coast. So I would love to hear from you. Please leave a comment in the comments section below and let me know what you think of how I'm packing, any comments that you have. And as always, thank you for watching.